Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power Up Careers. So I believe that everyone is doing well. In this today video, we are going to understand something very important in the IT world, that is DevOps. I believe that you are also very excited to learn DevOps from the initial level. First we understand why do we need DevOps or real need of DevOps, and then we can understand about DevOps. So let's start now. Okay, let's go back a few years before DevOps. And at that time, in every company, there were two teams. One is called developers who wrote the code, and another team called operations team who manage server and deploy that code. Now it sounds very simple, right? But the problem was these teams work independently, completely separate from each other. So this was the problem, completely separate from each other, and they don't interact to each other. So this type of problem we were facing at that time before DevOps. Okay, now we will understand from an example. So you can imagine that you have an online shopping website where you want to add a new feature called wishlist. So your developer will do this functionality and they add a new feature that works perfectly on their computer, right? Now next step is they hand it over to the operation team for deploying it over the live server. But what happens suddenly, it crashes. The reason is the developer computer and the live server both have different environment, or you can say different versions of software and libraries. That's why it crashes over the live server. Now if we talk about the blame game start, you understand easily why. Because developer says it work on my system and the operation team same says it broken on the server. Now in this argue would start, and if you think about on the other side, the feature will not be available over the website. So ultimate we lose this feature and they start the blaming game. So that was the real problem. Okay, now we understand more issues before DevOps, like full of human errors. Next one is difficult to scale when traffic increased, and everything was done manually. Either we talk about testing, deployment, or update, everything was done manually. So these are the major issues that we faced before DevOps. Now companies or any other software development, they are looking a better solution or a way, something you can say faster, smarter, and the automated. Now the solution is come, that is DevOps. This is the game changer basically if we talk about in the software development. So DevOps plays a very important role in the modern technologies, or it's play a very vital role if you are developing a software. So DevOps basically what did, DevOps brought both team together along with automated tools. Now both team, my means developer and the operation teams, they both together uh, for the problem solution along with the automated tools. And the tools that I'm talking about, we can use the Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins or Git. These are the popular tools. Other tools also available. We basically use these tools for implementing the DevOps in software development. Now we can say DevOps is a combination of development, operations, and automation. As a result, we can say with DevOps, the code is tested and deployed automatically. The feature or changes that done by developer goes live in minutes. Therefore, no arguments, no delay, no manual mistakes. So this is the power of DevOps, and this is the reason we need DevOps solution in every software development. Now, if we talk about the previous example that we discussed in this video uh, about a wishlist feature, that we faced the issue before DevOps, what we faced now with the help of the DevOps. Suppose developer add the wishlist feature, the code goes through an automatic CI/CD pipeline, so it automatically tested, verified, and deployed. So we can say all the things will done in just a minute. So this is the magic of DevOps. And what the benefit you are getting under the DevOps is speed, quality, and teamwork all in one, because now both teams work together, and everything will work as a protocols with the help of the DevOps. So there is no argument, there is no manual mistake, and this is the real magic. So at the end, I want to say like this is very common things to understand. I believe like from this video you know what is the reason we should use DevOps, or what was the actual reason, or what was the actual need of DevOps when we are talking about the software development. So I hope guys you like this video. This is the first video on DevOps series, and soon I will put my another video related to this series. So please subscribe my channel, and uh, just share my video to other developers who want to learn or who don't have any idea about DevOps but they are trying to learn it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye, take care.